Salutations chemistry students, or should I say brainless people who don't know much about organic chemistry. Anyways, today I'll be making my best effort to enlighten you illiterate beings about the building blocks of life and everything nice. That is, organic chemistry. First of all, we need to understand what organic chemistry is. Organic chemistry is the scientific study of the structure, properties and reactions of organic compounds. To be classified as an organic compound, the compound must be any form of matter containing carbon atoms. The simplest form of these fancy organic compounds are pure hydrocarbons, which, simply, are molecules containing only hydrogen and carbon. These hydrocarbons are then subdivided into two groups: saturated hydrocarbons, in which only single bonds are present, and in result the compound has all possible bonds filled with carbon having its 4 possible bonds and hydrogen having its 1 possible bond, which are called alkanes. Then there are unsaturated hydrocarbons, the ones which have single and double bonds, which are called alkenes. To know whether one of these compounds is an alkane or alkene, we can look at the formula, where the formula for an alkane is C2NH2N plus 2, whilst for an alkene it is C2NH2N. The naming of these compounds is pretty simple, as it is based on the number of carbons and hydrogens the compound has, such that meth represents 1 carbon, eth represents 2 carbons, prop represents 3 carbons and bute represents 4 carbons. Another important aspect of organic chemistry is functional groups. Basically, functional groups are groups of atoms bound to organic compounds, that are responsible for the characteristics and reactions of these compounds. For example, the functional group of all alcohols is the all-important OH bond, whereas the functional group for a carboxylic acid is a COOH bond, and you can see how much these functional groups change the properties of things through the difference between vinegar and alcohol. Anyways, that's pretty much what organic chemistry is.